Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Rise of the Tomb Raider game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable hints within the game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the game on your device, and once you are inside the main menu, you may directly start playing from where you last left off using the continue button. Now, while you are playing the game, based on your difficulty settings, you may see various different hints of the interactable objects within your surrounding while you are using Survival Instinct. And if you wish to change this setting, go ahead and click on Options. From here, choose Gameplay, and now you will see various different options that you can change. Within this page, if you wish to disable these kind of hints, then make sure that Survival Instinct beacons as well as Survival Instinct glows is turned off. This will disable the hints of where you need to go and what you need to interact with within the game, increasing the difficulty a little bit more. After this, you can simply go back and the changes will be applied to your gameplay. If at any point you wish to change this setting back on once again, you can go back to the same gameplay options page and turn them on at any point of time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable hints within the Rise of the Tomb Raider game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.